Bridge Inn pub restaurant found in Sale, a simple cozy place which gets you in your festive feels ready for the holidays. With exciting winter seasonal dishes on the menu, Sale is known for having some great food spots and this is no exception. But how good was the food exactly? This is our trip to Bridge Inn Sale. Escorted straight to our table. Flicking through the menu, there was many different options to choose from, but we decided to go for the bacon chop with the Diane sauce. But for a drink, we went for the Old Malt Cider, which was only right to do as we were in a pub restaurant. The decor gave me a warm feeling which got me proper festive, and if you know me well, I love my Christmas. 20 minutes later, our food arrived to the table and oh my god, it caught my eye. Pork was a great charred colour with a pepper crust on the outside, with a cascade of different onion rings on the side, bed of pineapple, pomegranate and pepper salsa looking like a caterpillar waiting to emerge. A bucket of golden crispy chips as well, amazing. Started off with those chips and then we went to the salsa which gave a refreshing sweet flavour. The pop of pomegranate was just a great addition and it was just lovely. Then we had those Ringo looking onion rings, nice and puffy on the outside, however I feel like they could have had more colour on them. Then we had the Diane sauce and oh my god, the intensity was amazing. Look at the size of that bad boy, it looks like a Pandora bracelet that does. Moving on to the main attraction, the pork. That pork was incredible. The intense charredness of that pork intensified the porky notes and alongside that pepper crust it was a dream. Meat was juicy and tender, fat was cooked to perfection. Finding the sauce and the pork together was like an explosion in my mouth. I would give this dish a rating of 9, not too much to fault but just needs more seasoning on the onion rings, more crispiness to them. Next up is a sticky toffee pudding, perfect for this winter season. Let's cut down the middle and see this bad boy. Let's see what's happening. My mouth is salivating right now, guys. That soft, moist, steamed pudding has like a carrot cake flavour profile with the mixed spice. And as you bite into that ice cream, you're greeted with an unexpected surprise of like a cinder toffee, which gives like honeycomb vibes to this dish. Really nice dessert. I would give this a rating of 8.5. A good simple dessert, but nothing that screams wow. I would recommend it though. Overall, I enjoyed this place. It shows that there are loads of hidden gems around the UK. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you keep supporting this channel as much as you can so we can build something special.